Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us now study an important and new concept of data representation using tally marks. We have here voting for a class head boy or head girl, and many students will come and vote for these students. They are the students who want to become head boy or head girl. Rajiv, Sakshi, Rishi, Arav, Anshuman, all of them are standing for the election, and after voting, we will be writing down the number of votes each of them gets. Now, there are going to be many votes. All the students will come and cast their vote. Now, how will we count all the votes? Or rather, how can we make the counting faster and in a better way? Now, when I tell in a better way, I mean that it should be correct. There should be no mistakes. How to reduce the mistakes and how to make counting faster. Here, tally marks will come to our rescue because tally marks makes counting easier. Let us see how to use the tally marks. So let us see how to represent using tally marks. Now, different numbers or different digits are represented using tally marks in different way. Let's begin. 1 is represented as single vertical line. 2 is represented as 2 vertical lines. 3 will be represented as, yes, 3 vertical lines. Can you tell me how we represent 4 using tally marks? Yes, by 4 vertical lines like this. Now, for 5, vertical lines are 4 and 5th line is struck across the vertical lines. This is how we represent 5. Got it? So for 5, remember students, you always write 4 vertical lines with the 5th line striking across the earlier 4 lines. 6 will be represented as, first we represent the 5 like 4 vertical and the 5th one across. Thereafter, we again write one more line to make it 6. Thus, we represent the number 6. Now, can you tell me how we represent 7? Yes, the bundle of 5 lines and then 2 more lines for 6 and 7. For 8, again, bundle of 5 lines with 3 more lines, 6, 7 and 8. For 9, again, bundle of 5 lines, then 6, 7, 8, 9. How will we represent 10 in this manner? For 10, can I say it is 5 plus 5? So I can write bundle of 5 lines twice like this. That will be 10. Just to test your knowledge, students, can you tell me how we represent 15 in this manner? 15 is 5 plus 5 plus 5 3 times. So I can write the bundle of 5 lines how many times? 3 times. Simple, isn't it? So we have learned how to represent using tally marks.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.